Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. How are you?
So fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How's your health now?
Sir, now it's fine. Like I'm good.
Very good. What happened? The students are very late today.
I don't
Sir,
know why.
previous class ended late, that's why.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, sir.
सर आज आप क्या
Sir, today you opened our mic.
Mike?
So, like when we joined in starting, so you.
Beta, you all are late today. I waited for so long.
Good morning, sir.
I started the meeting at 10:29 maybe. 10:29 or something like that.
Sir, actually our Hindi literature class ended a bit late.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
No, sir. Class was fourth period started at 10:30 a.m. to 11:10. So, sir, you started
I
early.
started at 10:29. Just 1 minute before.
Okay, sir.
One and a
That's
half minute before. Okay, so we are starting the chapter. We have to start the new chapter today, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We have completed the congruency chapter.
Can we
Okay, so
start
yes,
21 chapter?
yes, beta, we are going to start chapter number 21 today.
Sir, protector?
Huh. Okay, all of you. So
So, chapter
number 21.
21.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this
Select-
collection and organization of data.
Yes, collection and organization of data. Okay, so very easy chapter. It is a chapter on statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics where you will learn how to deal with data. How to deal with data. Matlab that means try to understand the data, what the data is representing, what it shows, reading the data properly, using the data to form bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, histograms, or using the data to find mean, median, and mode. So all this comes under the topic statistics. Okay, so statistics is a branch of mathematics. Fine. Now in this chapter we will be studying about how to represent the data in the form of a frequency table. What is a data first of all? What is raw data? What is an array? What is a frequency table? So these terms will be there in the chapter in the beginning of the chapter, and then later on we will learn how to find out mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode are central tendencies of a given data. Central tendencies means those values which give you an idea about the data, which help you in understanding the data properly in a good way. Okay. For example, mean is just average of a given data. Some numbers are given. If you find out the average, that is known as mean, average of those numbers. Okay, so it gives you a value which is somewhere around the other values, somewhere between the other values. Okay. For example, if I ask what are the weights of all the students in the class, so if I find the average of all the weights, that is only the mean, and that will be somewhere in between of all the weights. Suppose a student is having 40 kg weight, one student is having 55 kg weight, one student is having 35 kg weight. Just an example. So a particular number that gives you an approximate value somewhere in between. So that is mean. So all these central tendencies give you a similar type of idea. We will learn how to find these values, mean, median, and mode, later on in the chapter. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of data actually. What is data? Data means collection of information, numerical values. For example, if I ask the weight of all of you, I will have some numbers with me. Okay, so this is a data. What are the heights of all the students in the class? Again, I will have some numbers with me. I have collected some information. Again, it is a data. Okay, your attendance record. I have, suppose your class teacher is Gaurav Dev Sharma sir. He must be having your attendance record that this particular student was present for these many days. This was present for these many days. So that is also a numerical record. It is also a data. So any numerical record information collected, that is data. Understood what is data, all of you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Simple thing.
Yes,
Raw
sir.
data means data when it is when the data is in original form. Suppose just now if I ask you what are the weight, Sania, what is the weight, Sara, what is the weight, Paridhi, what is the weight, Soumya, what is the weight, like this, I collect it and it is in original form. So that is raw data. When I arrange the data in a particular manner, suppose if I keep the lowest weight in the beginning, then the greater one, and then even greater one, that
Ascending
means
order.
ascending order, arranging the data in a particular manner, that becomes an array. Now it is not a raw data. If I have arranged the data in a particular manner, in a particular order, ascending order or descending order or something else, then that will be called as an array. Okay.
So it means that the if the number is 1 2 5 6 7, and sir, when we are making it in ascending order, so that will be not raw data. The 1 2 3 number which are
If we
given,
have
that is
arranged the
that are
data
raw data.
in a particular order, that is an array, it will not be raw data then. Okay. Raw
Okay,
data
so
means
got it.
original form. It is data, but it is in original form, then it is raw data. And if it is arranged in ascending or descending order, then it is array. Then the next term is tabulation of data. Tabulation of data means if you write the data in the form of a table.
Table.
For example, I am writing some weights here just for an example. Okay. Suppose there are few students in the class, their weights I am writing here. A, B, C, D, E. These are the names of the students and here weights. So A, suppose the weight of A is 41 kgs, B 42 kgs, C 39 kgs, D again 41 and E 47 kgs suppose. So this there are 5 students in the class and their weights are written here. So I have written the data in the form of a table. Okay. So this process of converting the data in the form of a table, writing the data in the form of table, and it will be even better if you write it in the form of a frequency table. What is a frequency table? We will learn in the next question.
So it
Don't worry.
means two table, like the table we are
No,
learning.
only one table, frequency table. I will tell you what is the frequency table in the next question.
Okay, sir.
So that converting the data in the form of table, writing it in the form of table is known as tabulation of data. Okay. Observations, these values. What is the weight of A here in the table? What is the weight of A?
41.
41. So this is an observation. What is the weight of B? 42 kgs. Again, it is an observation. So these are all observations. How many observations are there? 5 observations are
Five.
there.
5.
Then frequency of an observation, very important thing. Frequency means the number of times a particular observation has appeared in the data. Number of times a particular observation has appeared in the data. For example, let's talk about the number 42 kg. 42 kg is weight of how many students in this data? कितने बच्चों का weight 42 kg है? How many students have the weight 42 kg?
One.
No,
Only
sir,
one
nobody.
student. Only one student. 42 kg. There is one
Sir,
student.
I have more weight than 42.
Your weight is more than 42, Nishu.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it's not, sir. Like, I will not believe it.
So yes, sir, due to taekwondo, I got to know.
Taekwondo.
Sir, but
You,
I am 41, sir. But how can she 40? Sir, ever 41?
it may be. No problem. It could happen.
So what's my weight?
Okay, so the number of times a particular observation has appeared, that is known as the frequency. So if I ask you what is the frequency of 42, your answer will be 1.
Sir, the number of
Frequency.
observation and
Number of times a particular observation has appeared. The number of times a particular observation has come in the data. Okay, so 42 is coming only one time in the data. Is it there only one time? So what is the frequency of 42? The frequency of 42 is 1. Okay,
1.
frequency
Okay,
of
sir.
the number 42 is 1. Frequency of 39, all of you, what is the frequency of 39?
1.
1.
1.
What is the frequency of 41?
2.
2, because it is
2.
coming 2 times, so we will say that its frequency.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is known as frequency. Then statistics, I have already explained you. Statistics, dealing with data is known as statistics. Any kind, in any manner, if you are dealing with data, it is known as, it comes under the topic statistics. Arranging the data in a order, finding mean, median, mode, making a frequency table, making a bar graph, making a pie chart, all this is under the topic statistics. Okay. So very good. This is what we have to do in question number 1 also. So I give you question number 1 in homework. You have to write down all these definitions in your copy in homework. Clear? Later on. Question 1. See question 1 from exercise 21A.
Okay, sir. We will do this in the homework.
I have explained each and every term. All these terms, there are only these terms in the chapter. So all these terms I have explained you in detail with examples. So you will write down the definitions of all these terms yourself in homework. Okay. And if you face any problem, you will discuss with me. Okay. Let's start with question number 2. In question 2, we will learn how to make a frequency table. Now this is the question where I will show you what is the actual meaning of tabulation of data. You have to do tabulation of data here in question 2. That means you have to make a table for the given data. Very easy thing to do. Again, let me make a table first. Okay. Okay, so here there is a die. Die. Do you know what is a die? Have you all played Ludo?
Yes, sir. So
A
this
die?
already I've explained in probability.
Yes.
The
So
probability of that.
which numbers are written on a die? From which number to which number?
So from 1 to 6.
The 1 to 6.
So 1
1
to
to
6.
6. So these are
Yes,
the
sir.
outcomes. In a die, we know that the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
5,
6.
6.
Only these numbers we can get in a die when we throw a die. So here in the question, please keep your mics off, everyone. Here in the question, there was a die. It was thrown 20 times. It was thrown 20 times, and then the following outcomes were recorded. That means the data was collected, information was collected, and the data was formed. In the first attempt, the number 5 came. Second time when we throw the die, the number 2 came. Third time, the number 1, then 3, then 4, then 4, then 5, then 6, and so on. So these numbers appeared on throwing the die again and again 20 times. So these were the outcomes. I'm writing all the outcomes that are possible here. And now I will write the frequency of each outcome. That means how many times a particular number has appeared. For example, count how many times the number 1 has appeared when you throw the die, when we have thrown the die.
The 2.
2 times. So that means the frequency of number 1 is 2. Okay. Because when we see the data, we will see that 1 has appeared only 2 times. How many times the number 2 has appeared? Count it.
So 5.
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. So 5 is the frequency of 2. What is the frequency of 2? 5. What is the frequency of 3?
So 1.
The
The 1.
Frequency of 4?
1.
The 4.
4 times only.
So 4.
Frequency of 5?
The 6.
So 6.
6
So
times.
6.
Frequency of 6? 2.
The 2.
So 2.
So this is known as the frequency table for the given data. This is what you had to do in the question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please note down the table in your copies.
Yes, sir.
So you will do question number 3 in homework. Okay. Make a similar type of table.
So can we make this the table in the vertical?
Yes, you can make it vertical also.
Okay, sir.
So observations, one more thing, all of you, observations are generally represented by the symbol xi, and frequencies are denoted by the symbol fi.
F5.
Fi, I is very small here. Okay, it is known as suffix. So xi is observations, okay, xi, and fi frequencies. Question 3 you all will be doing in homework. Let's start with question number 5. We don't need to do question number 4. If you want, if you like doing it, you can do question 4 also yourself. But I don't think there is any need in doing the question, same type of question.
Yes.
Okay, so we won't waste any time in it. Question number 5. Fill-ups. Okay. Easy fill-ups based on all the definitions. Let's start doing the first one. Everyone, are you all ready to answer the questions?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, first one. Data means information in the form of dash figures, numerical figures. Okay. When the information is in the form of numerical figures, in the beginning I told you numbers. If I have collected numbers, numerical figures, any numerical figure, for example, weights of students, heights of students, or anything else, that is called as data. Okay. So this was the definition of data.
Sir,
Data,
sir, in the form of.
numerical figures.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
numerical. Second one, data obtained in the dash form is called raw data.
The original.
Original form.
Sir,
Original
original.
form. Yes. Data obtained in the original form is known as raw data. Third one, arranging the numerical figures in ascending or descending order is
Sir,
called
this
an
is
Array.
array.
sir, array.
Array. What is an array? Arranging the data in the form of ascending or descending order is known as array. Fourth one, the number of times a particular a number of times a particular observation occurs is called its
Frequency.
Frequency of
frequency. Very good. It's called its frequency. Last one, arranging the data in the form of a table is called
The
dash
tabulation.
tabulation of data. Table की form में बनाना यानी कि tabulation of data. That word tabulation is made from table only. Okay, so very easy to understand. Arranging the data in the form of table is known as tabulation of data. ठीक है? Let's start with question number 6. When we will do question 6, then only I will explain what is the meaning of mean, and I will tell you the formula also while doing the question. Ready, all of you? Question 6. So we have to find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. I have already explained what is mean. Mean is a form of central tendency. How to find mean? Mean is nothing but just average of the given numbers. Okay, average. You all know average since class 5.
Yes.
Okay. So how to find mean? We will write the formula. First of all, let's find out. We have to find the finding mean is no problem, very easy. Just use the formula and find it. The thing is that you are finding mean for which data. That is more important here. So find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. What are the first 5 natural numbers?
The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First 5 natural numbers
Third, like counting numbers.
are 1. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the first 5 natural numbers, the counting numbers. First 5 counting numbers. Now, the mean, we have to find out the mean of these numbers. Formula of mean, everyone, you will write formula of mean in all the questions, each and every question. Sum of observations. How many observations are there in this question?
Upon number of observations.
There
five.
are 5 observations in the question, divided by number of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So mean is equal to, add all these numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and divide by number of observations. How many? 5. So divide by 5. There are 5 numbers, so divide by 5. When you add, you get 15 upon 5. So first one I have done for you. The answer is 3. Mean is equal to 3. Is there any doubt in it? Is it a very
No,
difficult
sir.
thing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. So you all will do question number 7 yourself and post your answer in the group. Start doing it. Question 7 and post the answer in the group.
So
Very nice. First six odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Very good. Mean. Paridhi, write the formula also. Mean equals to sum of observations upon number of observations. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 5. So the answer is divided by 6, not 5. Paridhi. First six odd natural numbers. There are six numbers, so you will divide by 6, not 5.
Okay.
When you add 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, the sum will be 36. And 36 divided by 6 is 6. Answer will be 6. The sum of all the observations will be 36. And 36 divided by 6 will be 6. Soumya has done it. Very good. Excellent. Soumya.
Thank you, sir.
Kanak has also done it. Very good, Kanak. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. Mean equal to 6. Okay. Can we start? Okay, all of you start doing question 10 now. Sania has also posted. Sara has also posted. Very good. Correct answer, Sania and Sara. Well,
Sir, now which question number you say to do?
sorry, beta.
Sir, which question number next we have?
10th question.
Okay, sir.
Sara, you have not written the formula. Very good, Zara.
So now which question we'll do?
10th. Okay, question number 11. Can we start with question 11 now? Have you all done question 10? First, mean of first six multiples of 5. First six multiples of 5.
So
5,
just
10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The sum will be 105 divided by 6. Answer 17.5.
Percent.
Very good. Very good, Paridhi. Absolutely right. $17.5. Okay. Can we start the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 11. We have to find the mean of this data given in the form of a table. Now, frequency table is already given in the question. How to find the mean when the data is given in the form of frequency table? We will learn in this question. So, all of you, this is something new for you. So, pay attention.
So we'll also do it with the help of telemark.
No, beta, we don't need telemarks because the frequency table is already given in the question, so we don't need it. So, okay, I have it already. Let me use it. Just a minute. Yes, I have it. Let me use it. So, question 11. This is your question 11. Can you see it on the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Guys, done question 11.
Yes, sir. So my answer is
65.
coming 65 kgs.
Absolutely right. So what we have to do in question 11, all of you, you will write the data in the form of a vertical table, not a horizontal table. In the book, it is given horizontal, but when you write the data in your copies, you will write it in the form of a vertical table. So weights means observations. There are some workers in a factory. So the weights of these workers are given: 60 kg, 63 kg, 66 kgs. And frequencies. Frequency means how many workers have the same weight. 60 kg weight. How many workers have 60 kg weight? 4 workers. So this is frequency. Okay. Understood? Frequency you all know. How many workers have 63 kg weight? 5 workers. So frequency
So
is.
5 workers.
And how many workers have 75 kg weight? Tell me.
So
Look at the table and tell.
3.
2 workers.
2 workers have 75
The
kg.
2 hours.
75. Okay. Now this is known as Fi. To find mean when the data is in the form of table, you make another column, the third column, which is not there in the book. You have to make it on your own. This column is known as Fi-Xi. Understood, everyone? I hope you all are getting it. This column you are going to make Fi-Xi, which is very simple. It means the product of frequencies and observations. So 60 into 4, what is the product? 240, right? 63 into 5
So
multiplied.
we have to multiply then.
Yes, simple. 315. 3 into 66, 198. This is the method of doing it. 1 into
Got
72,
it, and then we'll
72.
plus it.
75 into 150, 150. Sorry, 75 into 150. Now adding all these numbers in the
And then
column, this is
dividing
known as
it by the number of
summation, the
workers.
symbol summation. This is known as sigma. Okay, this symbol that I have written here, the letter M rotated 90 degrees. This is known as sigma. It means sum of all the numbers in the same column. Understood? The meaning of the symbol sigma. What is the meaning? Sum of all the numbers in the same column, sigma. So what is the sum of these numbers? 975, already calculated. Then sum of frequencies, sigma Fi 15. This is the second thing that you have to find out. So after calculating both the things, you will write the formula of mean. This is the formula of mean. Very important. Formula of mean, sigma Fi-Xi divided by sigma Fi. Just put the values, 975. We have already calculated it. Numerator 975, denominator 15. Again, already calculated. When you divide, you get 65 kg. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir, got it. How
Yes,
to do
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Note Note down in your copy, everyone.
Yes. So after that, maybe do 13 or 12 questions.
Done. After doing this, everyone start doing question number 12
Okay.
and do the 13th and 14th in homework. Start doing question 12 right now. Do
Sir,
the
done and
13th and
sent.
14th
So
in
question number 11 we have to do for homework.
11th तो अभी
Sir,
करना
done.
है बेटा 11th this
So sir, I'm doing 11.
अच्छा do
Sir,
11th
done and sent.
and then after 11th do the 12th one.
Sir, sent.
Have you all understood mean properly? Is there any difficulty in it?
Yes sir, got it.
No, sir.
Very easy thing. Just find the product. First step, find the product of observations and frequencies. Add all the numbers in this column. Add all the frequencies and just divide. You will get the mean. Okay. Everyone.
Sir, I have done and sent.
Very nice. Checking it.